In this video, I would like to do a recap of everything that played out in the trading room and the reason why trading room is open. So as you can see, this trade currently right now sitting at Fibonacci reversal zone to the upside. Long on this trade from 2860 reached Fibonacci reversal zone. This is ultimate destination, ultimate target. This is when knowledgeable trader adjusts his trailer ultimately closer or exits the trade completely. Again, the trade is not on 1 minute chart, trade converted to one on purpose. All the details in prior video. This is where trade started from, ultimate trend inception, not the place to short near. As you can see, all of this playing out in front of you in the trading room every day. On every single trade and chart, I convert to one on purpose. Power of the method in trend inception. Power of the method is to remind you, market is flawless Fibonacci puzzle. Pure price for entry and Fibonacci for exits will give you ultimate accuracy no matter what you trade. So as you're looking on this 1 minute chart where trend started, and as you're looking on 1 minute chart where trend collapsing from, let me remind you other twin charts. This is your day trading chart. This is your investment chart. Ultimate trend inception 2016. Ultimate trend exhaustion 2018. No surprise. Here's identical chart on oil weekly. Ultimate trend inception, ultimate trend reversal. Twin charts of 1 minute chart on S&P. Here's another twin chart, Google. Shock or not, anyone surprised why Google selling off? Should not be. Price reached Fibonacci reversal zone. Anyone surprised Apple selling off? Should not be. Price reached Fibonacci reversal zone. Knowing what separates trend inception from trend reversal and corrections are the key. This is where bullish rally on Apple started from in 2017. Ultimate trend inception. From here to here, no surprise. And here's one more reminder. Euro. Ultimate trend inception, where sell-off had started from on euro in the month of February and where buyers stepped in from recently. Knowing what separates correction from reversal and what to take the entry for, you must know the rules. And that remains the key. Pure price for entry and Fibonacci for exits applied to any instrument, any time frame, any platform. Accounts from very small ones to very large ones. What you choose to trade, absolutely up to you. And that's the reason trading room open. And that's what you're mastering in the course. So please review the information on the website and most importantly listen to the students and never hesitate to contact me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Brand new class starts on August 27th. If I take time off, I promise you I will always give you extra time. If you take time off, I promise you I will always give you extra time. Nothing is a problem. If you're considering signing up for private mentoring, pretty please speak with me first. Private mentoring 16 weeks includes 8 weeks of group sessions. Thank you traders, thank you so much. Look forward to seeing you in the course. Look forward to hearing from you. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Trading room will reopen tomorrow morning.